already down in that area, so it is not a fun time for Mardi Gras. Unfortunately for folks there, we are expecting to see more showers and storms rolling through. You can see that big area rolling in right now out over the Midwest and down south into New Orleans a little later this afternoon. So likely those parades will be delayed for sure. You've got that moisture lifting in from the south and west, and that's going to kick in breezy conditions for us ahead of the storm all the way through tomorrow too. And we're starting to see the winds come up the later we go through the evening hours. More clouds today too with showers, and then through Thursday we've got those strong wind gusts that we're concerned about causing the fire danger hazards out there. We've already been dealing with for the last few days. The winds are starting to ramp back up, and tomorrow significant wind gusts are going to be ahead of the front as well, and so we're looking at those rain chances, hopefully limiting some of the fire concerns, but the winds alone before the rain arrives could still spark up some concerns for fires so that become more wild in nature. So we've got those winds and the temperatures that were so cold this morning, down at 34 degrees in Greensboro, 35 in Winston-Salem. They're starting to come up though in response to that warm flow out of the south. You've got 10 to 12 degree temperature bumps from yesterday. We like it. We've got 59 in Burlington, 61 already in Troy, and you notice how the clouds are beginning to mix in. So we've got some moisture coming in from the north and west, some from the south, and we'll see more clouds become thicker the later we go through the day. Temperatures out there 55 degrees for your highs yesterday. 64 is the forecast high for today, and typically we're in the upper 50s. So this is an above normal day, and the winds are going to help out with that too, in the wind direction as well. 84 degrees would have been the record to beat. Now winds are coming up out of the west and southwest. We are beginning to see some movement in those winds in the upward direction. About 15 miles an hour sustained in Greensboro. When we add the gusts though tomorrow, we're already talking about spreading more of the fire concerns. Anything that does spark up ignites out there, whether it's a cigarette out the window or just mowing the lawn, and maybe one of the gas powered items starts to spark those fires. We could see extreme danger still in the Piedmont Triad, the foothills, as well as the mountains under very high concerns today. Now, even though the winds had backed off, we are right back to dealing with winds again tomorrow. And you can see out there as we go through the afternoon, heavier clouds. The rain chances really build for the Piedmont Triad overnight. Can't rule out maybe one or two might kind of sweep in here with those clouds that get thicker later this evening. But most of the action starts after the evening hours. And for the Piedmont Triad and the foothills, it looks like we're going to have some heavier action the earlier we go through the afternoon hours tomorrow. So looking at the impacts for folks in the mountains, we start to see some showers, maybe an isolated storm getting going this evening. Then we ramp up those efforts overnight. You can see this a little bit more clearly on our hour-by-hour forecast. Today we're warm. We've got those warm 60s out there. Temperatures with showers in the 40s for folks in the mountains later tonight. And then we begin to see those showers really begin to fill in 5 to 6 a.m. So this is when that line begins to push our way. The winds out ahead of it are pretty intense. We may see more of a southeasterly flow. Gusts are really getting going out here. And then we see those showers and thunderstorms fill in over the foothills between 5 to 7 a.m. We may see that line approach Mount Airy, North Wilkesboro, and Yadkinville. This is bus stop time. So there is potential that we might see some delays out there when it comes to schools. And we're also watching that line of storms come through between 9 and 10 a.m. for folks in the Piedmont Triad. With that, we could see this line either speed up a little bit, maybe slow down. So we do want to caution you that timing on the storms may change. Temperatures though in the 60s, the winds kicking, and we may see some 30 to 40 mile an hour gusts, if not higher, even without a severe storm in place. Now this line has the potential to bring us severe weather. We'll be watching for that. Temperatures though behind it throughout the afternoon, still in the 60s. We clear pretty quickly. Afternoon, it looks like we're done with the severe weather threat. So it's a morning focus. Even before you might even wake up around 5, 6 a.m., things should get rolling around out there for folks in the mountains and western foothills. Shower chances through the afternoon. That's a lingering last line. Unlikely we'll see severe with that, especially when we've worked out most of that energy in the morning hours. Watching though for the colder air, lingering moisture could bring in a flurry or two on those western slopes, maybe some light snowfall or wintry mix there. Temperatures are cooler, and as we go into Friday too, we'll notice bigger changes. So this is how it's looking like for your severe thunderstorm threats. We've got that big area from Jackson, Mississippi through New Orleans today. Tomorrow it stretches east. It puts us under a slight risk or level 2 as we get you through the day. We'll be looking at Cotton Grove, Asheboro, Albemarle, and out through Martinsville, through Yanceyville, Winston-Salem, Greensboro, Kernersville. You'll be included in that slight risk for severe thunderstorms. We've got lots of good mid-level energy. Look at the wind speeds here as they really pop up over 125 miles an hour. So we're climbing several thousand feet up in the atmosphere to see the mid-level jet stream wind speeds. The low levels though too pretty intense, and what we'll notice is that a lot of that energy splits just east of the mountains and rolls right up over the Piedmont Triad. So that's where we're going to get some of our good wind gusts going. That low level jet anywhere from 1,500 to 3,000 feet aloft. All right, looking right now, you've got the temperatures in the 50s as we go overnight. Shower chances starting to taper, and by your Thursday, we've got a little bit of mix of sun and clouds. 50s out there for you. It's a cooler day. Right back to the 60s by the weekend, just the way we like it, right? Rain chances at 20% and above normal highs until Sunday. A little dip again with shower chances returning.